श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो भगवते विराजेश्वराय. On this auspicious Varudhini Ekadasi, Chaitra Masa Krishna Paksha Ekadasi, we will spend some time with the fifth Sarga of Balakanda of Srimad Adhyatma Ramayanam. So in this Sarga there are 65 slokas. So this Sarga deals with the Vishwamitra's Yaga Samrakshana, and later Vishwamitra taking Rama to Mithila. On the way, reaching the Gautama Ashrama, Vishwamitra telling about the Ahalya's Vrittanta, and Rama releasing Ahalya from, or Rama giving the darsana to Ahalya. Ahalya being freed, she does a stotra. This stotra is not there in the Valmiki Ramayana, but in Adhyatma Ramayana this stotra is there. So we'll quickly go through the story part, but spend some time on the stotra as it goes. So Vishwamitra Yaga Rakshana, Ahalya Shapa Vimochana, Panchama Sarga of Srimad Adhyatma Ramayanam. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Tatra Kamasriye Ramye Kanane Munisankule Ushitva Rajani Mekam Prabhate Prasthita Hasyanaihi. So they started walking. Siddhashramam gataha sarve siddhacharana sevitam Vishwamitrena sandishtha munayastannivasinaha. Those munis who are there in that place, all those people are met. They have welcomed Vishwamitra and Rama to the Siddhashramam. So Vishwamitra wanted to perform this yaga there. Puja ancha mahatim chakru Rama Lakshmana yordhrutam Sri Rama kausikam praha mune diksham pravisyatam. So Muni Vishwamitra Maharshi, Diksham Pravisyatam, he enters into the Diksha. Darsayasva Mahabhagaha Kutasthau Rakshasa Dhamau Tadhetyukta Muniryashtuhu Marabhehe Munibhihi Sahaha. So the Maricha and Subhaha are the people who wanted to destroy this yajna. Having known about them, Madhyahne tu dadrusate tau rakshasau kamarupinau marichascha subhavuscha varshanto rudhirasthini. They brought rudhira asti, varshante. So they showered with blood and bones on the place of yaga. So Ramopi dhanuradaya dhyau bano sandhadhe sudhihi akarnantam samakrushya vyasasarjatayoh prudhak. So Rama taking two banas, dvau bane sandhadhe sudhihi, hit both of them. Tayor ekastu maricham brahmayan satayo janam. One of the bana hit Maricha, took 100 yojanas, satayojanam. Patayamasa jaladhau tavadbhutamiva bhavat. So he has been thrown into the ocean, away 100 yojanas away. Dvitiyo gnimayo banaha subhahu majayat kshanat apare lakshmanenasu hatas tadanu yayinaha. So the second bana, which is Agnimayo Banaha, it has killed the Subahu. Pushpau Ghair Akiran Deva Raghavan Sahalakshmanam Deva Dundubhayoh Nedustastupuh Siddhacharanaha. So Siddhas and Charanas, all the divine beings, they put the flower shower on Rama. So Vishwamitrastu sampujya pujarham raghunandanam అంకే నివేశ్య చాలింగ్య భక్త్యే భాష్పాకులేక్షణః. సో విశ్వామిత్ర, having completed his yaga, felt very happy, and he made nivesacha alingya, by embracing Rama atyanta with great vatsalya. Great sense of vatsalya is vatsa is a son, like as if he is a son. Atyanta vatsalya. Bhashpa akulekshanaha, with bhashpa akula ikshanaha, with his eyes filled with uh, the tears of happiness. Bhojayitva saha bhratra ramam pakvaphaladibhihi purana vakyir madhurair ninaya devasatrayam. So Bhojayitva sahabhrata, along with the brother, giving fruits, Ramam pakva phaladibhi, pakva phalas, ripened fruits, puranavakyir madhurair ninaya devasatrayam. For 3 days they spent talking about puranavakyas. So that is what has happened after saving the makha or the yajna of the Vishwamitra Maharshi. Chaturdhehani samprapte Kausiko Ramam abravit. On the 4th day, this Kaushika, or our Vishwamitra Maharshi, Ramam abravit, is told to Rama, Rama mahayajnam drashtum gacchamahe vayam. I am going to see a great yajna, drashtum gacchamahe vayam. We all will go there. Videha Rajanagare Janakasya Mahatmanaha Tatra Maheshwaram Chapam Asti Nyastam Pinakina. So we will go to Videha Raja. Janaka is performing a great yajna. So Tatra Akra, in there Maheshwaram Chapam Asti. Maheshwara's bow is there. Chapam Asti, which has been kept nyastam, Pinakina nyastam. So Pinaki has given it away to keep it. It is there. Drakshasitvam mahasatvam prujyase janakena cha ityuktva munibhistabhyam yayau ganga samipagam. So having said like this, that we will go and see that Drakshasitvam mahasatvam pujyase janakena cha. So ityuktva munibhistabhyam yayau ganga samipagam. So they started walking, and they reached Gautamasya ashramam punyam yatrahalya sthita tapaha divya pushpa phalopeta padapaihi pariveshtitam. They have reached the Gautamasya ashramam punyam, virtuous Gautama's ashrama, where Ahalya is seated, sthitaha tapaha, in the tapas, Divya Pushpa Phalopeta Padapaihi Pariveshtitam, of great Pushpa Phala, flowers and fruits. Padapaha, trees of flowers and fruits, are the plants of flowers and fruits which are there. Pariveshtitam, it is surrounded by such fruit and flower trees, plants. Mroga Pakshi Ganair Hinam, there are no Mrogas, no Pakshis. Mroga Pakshi Ganair Hinam, Nana Jantu Vivarjitam. There is no jantu, there is no animal, nothing is there. Društva uvacha munim Sriman Ramo Rajiva Lochanaha. Društva uvacha munim Sriman Ramo. Sriman. Already we have put the Sriman, or the Kavi, or the Veda Vyasa Maharshi put a Sriman here. Ramo Rajiva Lochanaha. So Rama is asking, Društva, seeing this, lot of fruits and flower trees are there, but no animal is there. One ashramam is there. In that ashramam, nobody seems to be there. Kasyai tadasrama padam bhati bhasvat shubham mahat patra pushpa phalair-yuktam juntubhip parivarjitam ahladayati mechoto bhagavan bruhi tattvataha. So he asked this question. This is again one more pariprashna. So Rama is walking behind Maharshi Vishwamitra. they come across a place where all divine fruits and flowers are there, ashrama is there, but no animal or bird is there. Having seen such a thing, Rama is asking, Kasya ashrama padam bhati? What is this ashrama? Why it bhasvat subham mahat, looks so great. Patra phalashpa phalayiryuktam jantubhi parivirjitam. So with all the fruits, flowers being there and jantus are not there, which is very rare. Ahladayati mechoto bhagavan bruhime tattvataha. So I wanted to understand the deep meaning of what this is, what is happening here. Tell me. Vishwamitra uvacha. So Vishwamitra is saying, Srunurama puravrittam gautamo loka vishrutaha sarvadharma bhrutam sreshtham tapasaradhayan harim. So puravrittam, this is a old narration. Puravrittam, old story is there. Gautamo loka vishrutaha, Gautama Maharshi, who is known by whole of the lokas, loka vishrutaha, sarva dharma bhrutam sreshtham saptasaradhayan tapasa sreshtham tapasa aradhayan harin. So sarva dharma bhrutam sreshtham, so who has known all the dharmas, he is using tapasa aradhayan harin. By the tapas he is worshipping Hari, Lord Vishnu. Tasmai Brahma dadau kanyam ahalyam lokasundarim brahmacharyena santushtha susrusha parayanam. So Tasmai Brahma dadau kanyam. Kanya has been given. Ahalya, Brahma gave Lokasundari, great beauty in the world, Lokasundaris of all lokas again. Brahmacharyena santushtaha. So he is in the brahmacharya. Who is there in the brahma? Susrushana parayanam. So to do the susrusha of Ahalya has been given to Gautama Maharshi. Taya sardha mihavatsi Gautamas tapasam varaha Sakrastutam dharshayatum antaram prepsuraswaham. So here Sakra, Indra is interested in Ahalya's beauty. So he is behind her. So kadachit muniveshena Gautame nirgate gruhat dharshayitvadha niragat tvaritam munirapyagat. So one day when Ahalya is alone, when Gautama is went out, he taking a form of Munivesha. It is not said here Agastya Vesha itself, a Munivesha, Gautama's Vesha, on the Gautama's own, in Gautama's form. Niragat Tvaritam Munirapyagat. So he gone in and quickly disturbed the Pativratya of the Ahalya and went away. Drushtva yatam swarupena munih paramakopasaha. Seeing somebody coming out in his form, getting angry, paprascha kastam drushtatman mamaropadharo adhamaha. So who are you? You are such a fool in my form. Why you have come here? Satyam bruhi nachet bhasmaha karishyami nasamsayaha. So abravid rajo aham. So bravid devarajo aham pahimam kama kinkaram. So then he took, then Sakra, Devaraja, telling that I am Devaraja, I am driven by my kama, my desire, I have done this. Krutam jugupsitam karma maya kutsita chetasau Gautamaha krodhatam rakshaha sesapa divijadhipam. So Gautama gave a shapa to Indra. Yonilampata drushtatma sahasra bhagavan bhava Saptvatam devarajanam pravisya swasramam drutam. By giving a shapa, let you have 1,000 yonis on you. So this is the Shapa has given. Drushtasman Bhagavan Srutvatam Devarajanam Drushta Halyam Vepamanam Pranjaling Gautamo Bravit Društvetvam Trishta Durvrutte Silayam Ashraye Mama Nirahara Divaratram Tapah Parama Mastita Tapasanila Varshadi Sahishnuhu Parameshwaram. So he told Ahalya, you be like a stone and perform Nirahara Divaratram Tapaha Paramastitaha. Without any ahara, day and night continue to do the tapas. Atapanila Varshadi Sahishnuh Parameshwaram Jhayanti Ramamekagra Manasa Hrudisam Stitam Nanajantu Vinuhinoyam Ashramo me Bhavishyati. So he also said that there is no animal will enter this ashrama. So all Jantu Vihino Bhavishyati. Evam Varsha Sahasreshu Yanekeshu Gateshu cha, after several thousands of years passes by, Varsha Sahasreshu Anekeshu Gateshu cha Ramo Dasaradhi Sriman Agamishyati Sanujaha. So after thousands of years, Rama will come here with Anujaha, with brother. Yada Twadasrayasilam Padayabhyamakramishyati Tadaiva Dhotapapatvam Ramam Sampujya Bhaktitaha Parikramya Namaskritya Stutva Sapad Vimokshase Purva Vanmasu Susrusham Karishyasi Yatha Sukham. So having performed that tapas, then purifying yourself, doing the puja to Rama, parikramya, taking a pradakshina around him, you will come back to me to perform the susrusha as you are doing it to me like this. That is what Gautama said. Ityukta Gautama Pragad Dhimatam Nagottamam Tadadyahalya Bhutanam Adrusya Swasrame Subhe. So then Gautama left the ashrama saying this, and Ahalya continued to perform her tapas here. Tava Padarajah Sparsam Kankshate Vapanasanaha Astedyapi Raghusreshta Tapo Dushkaramastita. So she is doing great tapas to see, to get a touch of your Padaraja Sparsa in the ashrama. This ashrama, you have to enter this ashrama. Dushkaramastita. Pavayasya muner bharyam halyam brahmanaha sutam ityuktva ragamavam haste gruhitva munipungavaha. So Brahmaputri, the daughter of Brahma, Gautama Patni, the wife of Gautama, she has to be purified. Pavayasva muner bharyam ahalyam brahmanaha sutam. Muner bharyam ahalyam brahmanaha sutam pavayasya. Pavana is to purify, to recover, restore her, all that meaning. Darsayamasa chahalyam ugrena tapasastitam. In the Ugra tapas established, Ramaha silam padasprushya tam chapasya tapodhanam. Tam chapasya tapodhanam. Ramam silam padaspruštva tam chapasya tapodhanam. She is having the dhana of tapas only. Tapodhana. So tapodhanam ahalyam spruštva, touched her. Sanama raghavo halyam ramohamiti chabravit tato društva raghusreshtam peta kauseya vasasam. So he introduced himself to her. Sanama, my name is Raghavo Ahalyam Ramohamiti Chabravit. Tato, in the Raghava Vamsa I am born Rama. Tato Društva Raghusreshtam Peta Kauseya Vasasam. So seeing that Chaturbhujam, she has seen him as Chaturbhujam Sankha Chakra Gada Pankajadharinam Dhanurbanam Ramam Lakshmanena Samanvitam Smitavaktram Padmanetram Srivatsankita Vakshasam Nila Manikya Sankasam Dyotayantah Disho Dasa దృష్ట్వా రామం రమానాథం హర్ష విస్ఫారిణేక్షత గౌతమస్య వచః స్మృత్వా జ్ఞాత్వా రామాయణం పరం జ్ఞాత్వా నారాయణం పరం సంపూజ్య విధివద్రామ అర్ఘ్యాధిభిరనిందిత జలనేత్రాంత దండవత్ ప్రణిపత్య సా. సో షీ హ్యాస్ పెర్ఫార్మ్డ్ ఆల్ ద పూజ టు రామ. ఉత్థాయ చ పునర్దృష్ట్వా రామం రాజీవలోచనం పులకాంకిత సర్వాంగ గిరా గద్గదయై లతః. సో ద సాక్షాత్కార ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ టోల్డ్ హియర్ బై ద కవి. పులక హర్షాశ్రు జలనేత్రాంత హర్ష అశ్రు జలనేత్ర అంత, హ్యావింగ్ ఐస్ ఫిల్డ్ విత్ ద tears of happiness, harsha ashru jalanetranta dandavat pranipatya sa, dandavat pranipatya. So she fell at the feet of Rama, dandavat, like a stick falling down. Pranipatya sa utthaya cha punardruštva Ramam, having got up looking at Ramam rajivalochanam pulakankita sarvanga, all the body is getting horripulations. Pulaka ankita sarvanga gira gadgadayailatah, the throat become gadgadikam, so the sound not coming very hard, so softened sound. Ahalyovacha, this is the stotra, this is about some slokas. Aho krutardhasmi jagannivasa te పాదాబ్జ సంలగ్నరజః కణానహం స్పృశామి యత్పద్మజ శంకరాదిభిః విమృగ్యతే రంధితమానసైః సదాః. అహో కృతార్థాస్మి, I have become krutartha, I have become accomplished by having looked at you. Jagannivasa, whole world is established, nivasa, taking refuge in you. Te padabja samlagna rajah kananaham sprusyami yat padmaja sankaradibhihi. Padmaja, who is born of Padma, and Sankara, who is Shiva, vimrugyate, they are also finds it difficult to get your view, your sparsa, your touch. Randhita manasai sada. Aho vichitram tava rama cheshtitam manushya bhavena vimohitam jagat చలస్య జస్రం చరణాదివర్జితః సంపూర్ణ ఆనందమయో అతిమాయికః. అహో విచిత్రం తవ రామ చేష్టితం. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వండర్ఫుల్ యువర్ చేష్టస్, యువర్ యాక్షన్స్. మనుష్య భావేన విమోహితం జగత్, యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ హ్యూమన్ ఫామ్, మేకింగ్ పీపుల్ డెల్యూటెడ్ దట్ యు ఆర్ హ్యూమన్. చలస్యజస్రం చరణాదివర్జితః, హ్యావింగ్ నో ఫీట్ యు గో ఎవ్రీవేర్. Sampurna Anandamayo Atimayikaha. So you have crossed the Maya, Sampurna Anandamaya, ever established in the Sampurna, ever fulfilled Ananda. Yatpada Pankaja Paraga Pavitragatra Bhagiradhi Bhava Virinchi Mukhan Punati Sakshat Sayeva Mama Drugvishayo Yadaste Kimvarjate Mama Purakruta Bhagadheyam. So as your feet, when water washed your feet, became Pavitra Ganga, Bhagiradhi Bhavavirinchi Mukhan Punati, so it is purifying everything of this world. Sakshat Sayeva Mama Drugvishayo Yadaste, such you became my Drugvishaya, you are being visible to me. I have become, you gave a Sakshatkara to me. So what my papas, everything will be removed without any doubt. Martyavatare manujakrutim harim ramabhideyam ramaniya dehinam dhanurdharam padma visala lochanam bhajami nityam naparan bhajishye. So Martyavatare, having taken the human form, manujakrutim, human form, harim, such Vishnu, ramabhideyam, with the name of Rama, Ramaniya Dehinam, having a great beautiful body. Dhanurdharam, always holding the dhanas to protect people. Padma Visala Lochanam, having great eyes. Padma Bhajami Nityam na paran bhajishye. I don't pray anybody else other than you. I always pray you. Nityam. Yat pada pankajarajaha srutibhir vimrugyam. యన్నాభిపంకజ భవః కమలాసనశ్చ యన్నామసార రసికో భగవాన్ పురారిః తం రామచంద్రమనిసం హృది భావయామి యత్ పాదపంకజరజః శృతిభిర్విమృగ్యం. Of all the Shrutis, of all the Vedas, which can't define his Padapankajarajam, the lotus feet, the dust at the lotus feet of such person who, yan Nabhi Pankaja Bhavaha Kamalasanascha, in whose Nabhi Pankaja, in the navel lotus, the Kamalasanascha, who is Brahma, is born. Yan Namarasiko Bhagavan Purarihi. The great Shiva enjoys in taking up his name of Rama. Yan Namarasiko, Namarasika Bhagavan Purarihi. Tam, such Ramachandram Anisam Hrudi Bhavayami. In my heart, I Bhavayami. Emotionally, I know him in my heart. యస్యావతార చరితాని విరించలోకే గాయంతి నారద ముఖా భవపద్మజాద్యాః ఆనందజాశ్రు పరిషిక్త కుచాగ్రసీమా వాగీశ్వరీ చ తమహం శరణం ప్రపద్యే. సో యస్యావతార చరితాని విరించిలోకే, హిజ్ అవతార చరిత్రస్ ఇన్ ద బ్రహ్మలోక గాయంతి నారద ముఖా భవపద్మజాద్యాః. Narada will be singing, and also Anandajastru Parishikta Kuchagrasima. With the Anandasrus, her breasts are, whose Vagishwari, the Saraswati herself, with the tears of that happiness falling on her own breasts, wetting her breasts, Kuchagrasima Parishikta, taking bath. In such state, Vagishwari cha tamaham, she will be singing such you Saranam Prapadye, I take Saranagati in you. Soyam Paratma Purusha Puranaha Ekaswayam Jyotirananta Adyaha Mayatanum Loka Vimohiniyam Dhatte Paranugraha Yesha Ramaha. Soyam Paratma Purushaha, you are the Paramatma, you are the great Purusha, Purushottama, Purana Ekaha, Purana Purushaha Ekaha, Swayam Jyotihi Anantaha Adyaha. Not ending, no beginning. Ananta Adhya. Mayatanum loka vimohaniyam dhatte. Taking up a temporary mayatanum body. Mayatanum loka vimohaniyam. That too so beautiful. Loka vimohaniyam tanum. Dhatte paranugrahayesha Rama. So you are giving this darsana for the people to take this form or to enjoy this form. Ayam hi visvodbhava samyamana mekaha swamaya gunabimbito yaha virinchi Vishnishwara nama bedhan dhatte swatantraha paripurna atma. You are the paripurna atma, ever fulfilled soul, self. Ayam hi visvodbhava samyamana, Vishwa Udbhava samyama, to bring up the Vishwa world, to control it. Samyama is to control, yama is to control, samyama is thoroughly controlling. So everything goes in their orbits correctly. All that samyamanam ekaha, only one. Swamaya guna bimbitoyaha, in his own maya reflected, as Virinchi Vishnu Ishvara nama bedhan, as seen as three, as Brahma, Virinchi, Vishnu, as Vishnu, Ishvara, Nama Bedhan, by the name, three different names. Dhatte Swatantraha, on his own, Paripurna Atma takes these three forms to bring up to Srushti Sthiti and Laya of this world. Namostu te Rama Tavangri Pankajam Sriyadhrutam Vakshasilalitam Priyat Akrantamekena Jagatrayam Purat Cheyam Munindrair Abhimana Varjitaihi. Munindraihi Abhimana Varjitaihi. People who have taken Mauna of mind will not move. Such Mauna, such silence, Munindra, Abhimana Varjitai. Abhimana is ego, Ahankara, Varjitai. One who have overcome the Abhimana, what they are doing, Namostute Rama Tavangri Pankajam. They will take your Angri Pankajam, Padapadmas, Sriyadhrutam Vakshasi Priyat. They hold on to their own hearts, Vaksha. And Lalitam Priyat, Akrantaменeka Jagatrayam Puradhyayam. They will be doing a dhyana of your Pada Pankajas in the heart. జగతాం ఆదిభూతస్త్వం జగత్వం జగదాశ్రయః సర్వభూతేష్వసంజక్తః ఏకో భాతి భవాన్ పరః. జగతాం ఆదిభూతస్త్వం, యు ఆర్ ద ఫస్ట్ భూత, ఫస్ట్ బీయింగ్. జగత్వం జగదాశ్రయః, యు ఆర్ ద వరల్డ్, యు ఆర్ ద బేసిస్ ఫర్ ద వరల్డ్ ఆల్సో. జగత్వం జగదాశ్రయః సర్వభూతేష్వసంసక్తః, నాట్ టచ్డ్ బై ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద భూతాస్, పంచభూతాస్, సర్వభూతాస్, ఆల్ ఎర్త్, ఫైర్, ఎయిర్, వాటర్, space. Asamsakta, not being touched. Samsakta, sansakti is not there, attachment is not there. Yoko bhati bhavan paraha, always one, paratma, transcending all these things. Yoko bhati, always makes everything visible or everything come out into the existence. Omkara vachyastvam rama, omkara vachyah tvam ramaha, vacham avishayah puman, వాచ్య వాచక భేదేన భవానేవ జగన్మయ. సో అహల్య ఈజ్ సేయింగ్ ద వాక్య స్వరూపం. ఓంకార వాచ్యస్త్వం రామ, యు ఆర్ సిగ్నిఫైడ్ బై ద ఓంకార ఆర్ ద ప్రణవ. వాచామ విషయ పుమాన్, యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఎ విషయ ఆఫ్ వాచ, యు కెనాట్ బి డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ బై ఎనీ వాచ, ఎనీ వాక్, ఎనీ స్పీచ్. వాచాం అవిషయ పుమాన్, యు ఆర్ సచ్ ఎ పర్సన్ హూ కాంట్ బి డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ బై ద వర్డ్స్. వాచాం అవిషయ పుమాన్. వాచ్యవాచక భేదేన భవానేవ జగన్మయ, యు ఆర్ ద సౌండ్ అండ్ ద మీనింగ్. వాచ్యవాచక భేదేన, వాచ్యవాచక భేదేన, బై డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ యాజ్ ద సౌండ్ అండ్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ వాచన, భవానేవ జగన్మయ, యు మేక్ ద యు ఫిల్ దిస్ వరల్డ్. జగన్మయ. కార్యకారణ కర్తృత్వ ఫలసాధన భేదతః ఏకో విభాసి రామత్వం మాయయా బహురూపయా. కార్య కారణ, కార్య ఈజ్ రిజల్ట్, కారణ ఈజ్ ద కాజ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఇన్ ద ఎఫెక్ట్ అండ్ కారణ, కర్తృత్వ ఫలసాధ భేదత, డూయింగ్ వర్క్ అండ్ గెట్టింగ్ ద రిజల్ట్. సో కర్తృత్వ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ వర్క్, ఫలసాధన భేదత, ఫల ఈజ్ గెట్టింగ్ ద రిజల్ట్, కన్స్యూమింగ్ ద రిజల్ట్, రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ అండ్ బ్యాడ్. భేదతః, ఇన్ దీస్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏకో విభాసి రామత్వం, యూ ఎలోన్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ బోత్ దోస్ టూ సైడ్స్. మాయయా బహురూపయా, బై యువర్ ఓన్ మాయా, యువర్ ఓన్ deluding potency, you appear in duality of this and that. కార్యకారణకర్తృత్వ ఫలసాధన భేదతః ఏకో విభాసి రామత్వం మాయయా బహురూపయా. తన్మాయా మోహిత ధియస్త్వాం న జానంతి తత్వతః మానుషం త్వాభిమన్యంతే మాయినం పరమేశ్వరం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వాట్ భగవద్గీత సేస్. Tvan maya mohita dhiyastvam, by your maya deluded people having the delusion in the minds, dhiyastvam na jananti tattvataha, they will not be able to understand your true tattva. Na jananti, they don't know tattvataha. Manusham tu abhimanyante, they think that they are doing actions, they assume ego in themselves. Abhimanyante mayinam parameshwaram. In 51st sloka, munindrai abhimanavarjitaihi, she says. Now we have come to, in the 55th sloka, she says, manusham tu abhimanyante mayinam parameshwaram. So abhimana is the trouble giving. So this comes out very clearly here in this sloka. Akashavattam sarvatra bahirantargato amalaha అసంగో యచలో నిత్య శుద్ధో బుద్ధ సదవ్యయ. ఆకాశవత్వం, లైక్ స్పేస్, త్వం సర్వత్ర, యు ఆర్ ఎవ్రీవేర్. బహిర్ అంతర్గతో అమలః, యు ఆర్ ఇన్సైడ్ అండ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ నాట్ టచ్డ్ బై ఎనీ పొల్యూటెంట్స్. మలః, మల ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్, మల ఈజ్ పొల్యూషన్. అసంగోహో, నాట్ టచ్డ్ బై ఎనీథింగ్. హచలో, నాట్ మూవింగ్ ఎనీవేర్. నిత్య, ఎటర్నల్. Shuddho, pure. Buddha, consciousness or pure consciousness or pure intellect. Sad, your truth. Avyayaha, infinite. Vyaya is to spend. Avyaya, can't spend away. So you can't spend away. It's infinite avyayaha. Yoshin, moodha, aham ajñate, tattvam jane katham vibho. తస్మాత్తే శతశో రామః నమస్కుర్యాం అనన్యధీః. దిస్ ఈస్ ద శరణాగతి ఆఫ్ అహల్య. యోషిం, ఐ am a lady. మూఢా, ఐ am a fool also. అజ్ఞాతే తత్వం, don't know this tattvam, philosophy, all those things. Jane katham vibho, ajñate, don't have intellect to do the jnana also. This is important, but saying all the philosophy, now she comes into saying that whatever I have said, it is still in the space of words. It won't explain the real state of this. So what I will do is, Jane Katham Vibhu Tasmatte Satasho Ramaha Namaskuryan Yananyadhi. So hundreds of namaskaras I will put. Satasho Rama Namaskuryam Ananyadhi. Not having anything, Ananyadhi, na Anyadhi. Not having anything else in my mind, I just take namaskara to you. Devame yatra krutrapi stitayapi sarvada tvatpadakamale sakta bhaktireva sadastume. So what I am asking you nothing. Devame yatra krutrapi, wherever, whatever, stitayapi sarvada, wherever, whatever I am established in, doesn't matter. Tvatpadakamale sakta bhaktireva tadastume. Let me be interested, attached to your padakamalas, lotus feet, and bhakti, let the devotion be on your lotus feet. That is the only thing I am asking you. Bhakti reva tada astu me, in me, let it be there in me. Namaste Purushad Chaksha, from here it is Namakam. So the description is done from the 58th sloka, we finish this. Then now she says, Namaste Purushad Chaksha, Namaste Bhaktavatsala, Namaste Stu Hrishikesa, Narayana Namostute. Purushad Chaksha, Adhyaksha of the Purushas, Bhaktavatsalaha, who will take care of the Bhaktas, Hrishikesa, who has conquered Hrushikas. Hrushikamu is Indriyas. You have conquered your Indriyas. One who has conquered Indriyas is Hrushikesha. This word is used for Krishna, Rama, everybody same. Narayana Namostute, you are Narayana. Bhava Bhaya Haramekam Bhanukoti Prakasam Karadhrutachara Sapam Kalamegha Bhasam Kanakaruchira Vastram Ratnavant Kundaladhyam Kamala Nisadanetram Kamala Visadanetram Sanujam Rama Mide. So I am selecting Rama, Ramam Ide. I am selecting Rama, I am taking refuge in Rama. Who? Bhava Bhaya Haramekam, who can remove the Bhava Bhayam. What is Bhava Bhayam? Repeated samsara. Bhava means repeated birth and death. Bhanukoti Prakasam, of 1 crore suns light. Bhanukoti Prakasam, Karadhruta Charasapam, Kalamegha Bhasam. One who is holding the Charasapam, always protecting people with his Chara and Sapa, with his Kodandam. Chapa Kalamegha Bhasam, looks like a dark cloud, who is ready to give the water, means Varsha, the rain of bliss basically. Kalamegha Bhasam, Kanakaruchira Vastram, having a golden hued dress. Ratnavat Kundaladhyam, having the kundalas. Why only kundalas are told? Who has heard again? Even though Rama took a birth as a human being, he heard Shastra from both Vasishtha Maharshi and Vishwamitra Maharshi. Just in this sarga only, we have 3 days he has spent in learning Puranas also. Stutyaivam, that's why kundalas means the ear abharanas when they put, that means those ears have been used to listen the great tattva, philosophy, spirituality of Puranas. Listening them is the bhushanam, that is the ornament to the ears. So the external ornaments, putting the external ornament only signifies this. This ear is not a waste ear. This ear is a useful ear which heard some spiritualities from a realized soul. By the grace, I have also a little bit that hearing ability. Stutyaivam Purusham Sakshat Raghavam Puratah Stitam Parikramya Pranamyasu Sanujñata Yayaupatim. So as Gautama said, now saying this Stuti, Purusham Sakshat Raghavam Puratah Stitam, who is in front of him, her Parikramya, she took a Pradakshina around him, Parikramya Pranamyasuhu, again doing one more Namaskara, Sanujñata, asking his Anugnya, Yayau Patim, she went to her husband. With this, the stotra is complete. Ahalyaya Phalasruti. So why we read this? So this Phalasruti is important. Both this Phalasruti is given by Veda Vyasa, which will not go waste. Ahalyaya Krutam Stotram Yapathed Bhakti Samyutaha Sa Muchyate Akhila Papaihi Akhilaihi Papaihi Param Brahma Adhigachati. Ahalyaya Krutam Stotram. This Stotram, which is done by Ahalya, Yah Pathed Bhakti Samyutaha, who reads it, Pathed, studies it, with bhakti, with devotion, sa muchyate akhilaihi papaihi, he will be released from akhilai, all, without any reminder. Akhilai, khila is reminder. What remains? Nothing remains. No papaihi, akhilaihi papai, muchyate, param brahmadhigachati, will reach the param brahma, or eternal truth, eternal brahma, adhigachati. Putradyarthe pathed bhaktya ramam hrudi nidhaya cha samvatsarena labhate vandhyam api suputrakam. So this is the worldly benefit. Now he is the other benefit of going to the other. So anybody who is looking for sons, or putrad means progeny, the sons or daughters, putrad, both genders will come in. Pathed bhaktya, one who has no children, for looking for children. Ramam hrudinidhaya cha, in keeping the Rama in the heart, studies this Pathed bhaktya Ramam hrudinidhaya cha, samvatsarena labhate, within 1 year, vandhya api suputrakam. Even if a lady is vandhya, means not able to get babies, vandhya also, she will also get suputrakam. That is the worldly phalita is given for this. Sarvan kaman avapnoti Ramachandra prasadataha. Not only that, sarvan kaman, any dharmic desire will be fulfilled by this, by the Ramachandra prasadapa. Brahmajno guru talpa gopi purushaha steyi surapopi va matru bhratru vihimsako api satatam bhogaika badhaturaha nityam stotramidam japan rakhupatim bhaktya hrudistam smaran dhyayan muktimupaiti kim punarasau swachara yukto naraha. Okay. The list of all the different types of papas. Okay, who have done brahmajna sometime, not necessarily in this life. Guru talpa gopi purushaha steyi, one who has stolen the gold of brahmana. Surapopicha, who has who drunk undrinkable things in the life or other lives. Matru bhratru vihimsako, one who has caused mother or brothers are being himsa, such vihimsakopi satatam, who is doing himsa or the harm to own mother, brothers, everybody, something like that. Bhogaika badhaturaha, one who is interested only in the bhogas, he will go to any extent to do the bhogas. All this type of papas. Nityam stotramidam japam raghupatim, having given up those tendencies, coming back to this stotra, nityam stotramigam, keeping this stotra study always, Raghupatim bhaktya hrudistham swaram, Raghupati of Raghupati, bhaktya hrudistham smaran. Smaran means establishing in the deep layers of memory. Smara is memory layers. So keeping Raghupati into the deeper, into the layers of memory, dhyayan muktim upayitikim. So he, to do the dhyana means tapas, like Ahalya, how she did the tapas, in the same way if we do, guaranteed you will get muktim upayiti. Kim punarasau, then why, what stops? Swachara yukto naraha, one who is performing his own dharma, swa achara yuktaha, one who is doing his own achara, whatever good, bad achara it is, achara yukto naraha, for such a person, guarantee it will give. Even no achara person only does the dhyana of this, he will get the mukti. So much better state a person get, much better than mukti person gets, one with swachara yuktaha. This is Srimad Ramayana, Adhyatma Ramayana Antargata. So 65 slokas we have read today. Uma Maheshwara Samvada, this is a discussion between Uma and Maheshwara in Balakanda, 5th Sarga, Panchama Sargaha. Swasti, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sarve Janaah Sukhino Bhavantu.